Howdy howdy. Today I am going to show you how to add Freon to your AC system when it is possibly running low. At first, I thought this was going to be something you need a proper garage for, but as it turns out, it's actually something incredibly easy that everyone can do. Now, I didn't know how to do this, but fortunately for me, I had a friend who did. Proper AC function is a particularly important issue for me because I live in Arizona, where temperatures can regularly get above 100 degrees. As you can see, right now my AC is running a bit hot. The passenger side is 105 degrees, while the driver's side is 109. The first thing is to locate your low pressure port. On a 2006 C230 model, the ports will be on the right of the engine if you are facing it. There are two pressure ports, one high, one low. The top one is the low pressure port and the one you will be filling. If you accidentally connect to the wrong port, it won't fit. The sizes of the ports are different. Make sure your car is running while you are refilling the Freons, and make sure your AC is on full blast as well. To expose the low pressure port, all you have to do is unscrew the plastic cap. The refill product that I used was AC Avalanche refrigerant. The most important feature to get is the pressure indicator. This is how you will know you're not overfilling. Something to note, make sure you are filling your system with the appropriate Freon type. Most modern cars should be using r134. Depending on how fancy you want to get, this refill should cost you between $30 to $60. I got mine simply at AutoZone down the street and I got the cheapest one. With the car and AC running, the next thing to do is to attach the canister to your low pressure port via the quick connector. There should be directions on your product on how to do this. For the AC Avalanche, you'll have to pull the connector ring back as you push the fitting onto the service port. Make sure it locks in place before you start filling. Once connected, read the current pressure and use the chart on the back to estimate how much Freon your car will need. In my case, in an ambient temperature of 105 to 110 degrees, I am going to need around 50 to 55 psi on Freon total. Currently, my car is sitting at 30 psi. With the appropriate pressure in mind, the next step is to gradually add Freon and measure the new pressure each time. There may be some variety to the product you use, but for me, it was like using a spray can. Always keep the can upright. While charging the system, you can turn the can at a slight angle or shake. You can stop when you reach the proper pressure and temperature inside your car cabin. Just note that if you're constantly losing Freon pressure, you will have to get your car checked. Thanks for watching.